In April, we introduced you to the family-owned car repair company in the South Bay that gave back to first responders impacted by the coronavirus pandemic.
Now, as ABC7 News South Bay community journalist Dustin Dorsey shows us, the shop is giving back to address another problem.
Just because your job title says one thing doesn't mean you can't be more than that. The owners of GIC Car Clinic in San Jose pride themselves on their expert technicians and ability to keep drivers on the road, but they also try to support their community in other ways.
We are open a business, of course, want to make money, but we want to give out and support somebody who need help. That's very important.
In April, GIC offered free oil changes to first responders. Now in October, the support will come in the form of brakes for breasts. Customers can receive free brake pads donated to the shop by vendors, and 10% of all labor fees will be donated to the Cleveland Clinic Breast Cancer Vaccine Fund.
It gives us the opportunity to raise awareness for breast cancer, along with being able to donate to a great cause. Breast cancer does run in my family, and as a woman, you look at wanting to have that security and know, an important part of you that gives back to life, you should be able to keep and you should be able to feel comfortable and safe about.
Breast Cancer Awareness Month may be more important than ever in 2020. Medical experts worry that COVID-19 may lead to an increase in rates of undetected breast cancer. GIC wants to try and make sure that doesn't happen.
We don't want to lose more people. We don't want to lose any life anymore.
Giving back is just incredible. Big shops can do a lot, but it shows that a small shop like us can definitely make a difference as well.
The shop hopes to raise $10,000 to fight the fight and find a cure. In San Jose, Dustin Dorsey, ABC7 News.
What an important fight. Great to see all of their efforts and all of that pink gamma.
Yes, definitely.